Welcome, Gov Kids! I'm going to walk us through the first assignment of the week, which is Learning Target 2, Success Criteria 1, identifying the issues with the Articles of Confederation. The Articles of Confederation was, as many of you already know, the first attempt at a government for our new country, okay? Obviously, it had flaws because we now have the Constitution, but we are going to identify what those big issues were and what the effects and or consequences of those failures, those flaws, what they were. Okay? All right. So we should always go to Canvas, start at home screen. This is what you should see. You are going to click on topic 1. We worked through Target 1 government systems last week. On Friday, you were working on the assessment, which was comparing and contrasting 3 different countries' governments. Okay, that could be emailed to me or submitted through Canvas. Email is easier and faster, so feel free to do that. Yes. Okay, so we are starting Target 2, Federalist versus Anti-Federalist. We're starting with Success Criteria 1, which is Articles of Confederation. This is a really simple assignment, okay? Very simple lesson. We are going to do this together, but essentially I am going to start you out on your note-taking process, okay? I'm going to read aloud a reading about the Articles of Confederation that just provides some basic knowledge. We're going to watch a video together, and you are, as I read and as you watch the videos, you are going to be taking notes about what were the big problems with the Articles of Confederation and what were some of the consequences of those flaws. Okay? You can do this note taking in the document I am sending to you. Here is a chart. Feel free to customize it in any way you see fit. As you can see, on one side we have the issues, and on the other side we have the effects, so cause and effect. Okay, I have an example over here. Overtaxed the colonies. What happened? They got super mad, right? And they rebuild. They trashed all the products. We all know the stories, okay? After you're finished with that, after I'm finished reading the document to you and we watch the video, you are going to go off on your own and you're just going to continue to work your way down this page. As you work your way down the page, you are going to continue to add notes to the chart. Easy, okay? Come up here, come back up to the top, click this tab, scroll down. This is a very generic chart table, but it has just some generic weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. Double check, look at your chart and compare it to this one. Did you hit all of the points? Here are some outcomes, and then you're going to scroll down here. As you see, the assignment is using your notes that you collected from this lesson. Please summarize in a very brief paragraph what the issues of the Articles of Confederation, what were they, and what problems did they cause. Okay, easy peasy. I included that prompt at the bottom of this chart on the document if you want to do, or I would suggest you do it here. Okay, easy peasy. I will see you guys in class tomorrow. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help.